What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with another video. We finally been getting a lot of sneakers in the mail, so here we are. You see the title, Nike Dunk High Pink Prime, whatever they worded it. I think that's what it's called, right? It got Pink Prime. Yeah, it was one of the things that dropped on sneakers recently. I don't know if I have the screenshot of when I got them on sneakers, but if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 200. Wow. We're on our way to 500 plus subs, as well as comment whatever you want to comment. Respond to all my comments. And like the video, share the channel. Let's get more people on the squad. And my Instagram and main channel, those two links will be down below in the description. So check that out. And yeah, your boy's still putting them gains in the gym though. So let's get it. Let's get right into the video because I got other stuff to do. So let's get right into it. Alright, so off rip, I had to look for it in my whole dungeon, but here it is. Yeah, it's a pink shoe, so obviously it's a women's shoe. So while everyone was going for the extended sizes, I just said, hey, let me go for GS, quote unquote, size 7. So a woman's 8.5 right there converts to a size 7. So regular dunk box, orange, red, whatever you want to call it. And this shit is bright as hell. Bright as hell right here. Pink ass shoe, pink prime, however you want to word it. Let's get that thumbnail. Oh shoot, I didn't even know it came with some extra laces. So let's put the box down. Comes with white laces, makes sense because there's so much pink. It comes with white laces. That's how you know I'm tired and how real it is. But yeah, that's it. Regular pink comes with the white laces. Let's put the shoe down. I'm gonna show that shoe. But this Nike Dunk High. Usually dunks don't do too good on resale, or just depending what colorway. But this dunk colorway just came out of nowhere. But it definitely goes for money. I don't know why people get this extended sizes, because as a guy, even if I do wear pink, this is just too much pink going on. You get what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I did say let me do the thumbnail real quick. Shoot, that's what I forgot to do. Boom. But even so, like, I don't mind wearing this if I, like, a guy who wears pink, but this is just too much pink. This is a lot going on. It's loud as hell. It's a lot. Factory floor. Look at that. How does pink get on there? You see that right there? I'm gonna have to like scrub that or do something, because I already know they're gonna say it's a scuff mark. I'm not trying to go through that. I need all my bread back because there's bigger releases coming out. So yeah, let me know if you're rocking this with the pink laces or you're gonna put it with the white laces. I just feel like overall, whatever, white laces is cool, but this is a lot too much pink going on, like hot pink or something. But either way, like I said, this is one of the few sneakers that dropped recently on sneakers, and this is the only one I caught the W on as of late. Yeah, and it just sold, so yeah, I'm getting rid of it ASAP. You guys know I did get a lot of sneakers you're gonna see throughout this week. I'm gonna try to film it the whole weekend and drop them through the week, but this shoe sold, so I was like, let me just do the review for these first. But let me know, any ladies out there, or maybe guys, do you like these? Are they basic? Did you even know they dropped? Because I know they came out of nowhere. But if you see these in store, buy them. Go for small sizes. I would trust small sizes on these, not the big sizes, because like I said, girls could wear this at any point. Not guys. You know, no offense, but it's like, I'm not getting a big size in these. I did try to go for a quote-unquote 6.5, but I was only able to hit on my size 7, so yeah, there's really not much to show you. There's no like super detail. There's a regular Nike Dunk High instead of all the typical colors, blue, red, all that, black, gray. There's just a hot pink. That's really it. The bottom, pink, white color blocking. That's really it. So I just want to show you guys this real quick. Yeah, it's really not much to it. Got the Nike logo on the tongue, of course. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of these. Is this a pass, skip, trash, all that good stuff? Yeah. The consistency in these dunks is crazy. So much factory flaws. But yeah, anyways, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel. What else? Yeah. Ladies, follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel, my main channel. Everybody that's watching to this point, check out the main channel. The link can be in the description down below, as well as my Instagram. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Ray is out. Peace.